In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark tasks as complete in Google Calendar. Marking tasks as complete is a simple action, but it's really important for keeping your schedule organized and knowing exactly what you've already finished. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to do it in Google Calendar, step by step, and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and that you have Google Calendar open in your web browser. You can do this on most modern browsers, and the steps I'm about to show you will look very similar across them. To begin, you'll want to switch your view in Google Calendar so that you can see your tasks. At the top left of the calendar page, there's a panel or sidebar where you can switch between different tools like your main calendar, reminders, and tasks. Look for the option labeled Tasks and select it. When you switch to the Tasks view, Google Calendar will show you a list of tasks associated with your account and any tasks that are linked to your calendar dates. If you don't immediately see your tasks, you might need to expand the sidebar by clicking on the small arrow or menu icon near the top left. Sometimes the task panel is collapsed to save space, especially on smaller screens. Once it's expanded, you should clearly see the tasks section and individual task entries listed by date or by task list. Now that you're in the Tasks view, locate the specific task you want to mark as complete. Each task will appear with its title, and usually a small empty circle or checkbox icon next to it. This circle is what you'll use to mark the task as done. To mark the task as complete, simply move your mouse over that empty circle and click it once. When you do this, the circle will change appearance, typically showing a check mark. This visual change indicates that the task has been completed. In many cases, completed tasks will also become slightly faded or appear in a completed section, so you can easily distinguish them from tasks that are still pending. If you ever click the circle by accident, don't worry. You can usually click it